Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Myself Naina Jangle will explain you the three bit adder circuit. Here I am taking the three bits A0, A1, A2, which is to be added in the another three bits B0, B1, B2. Okay, sum of A0 and B0 is S0, whereas sum of A1 and B1 is S1, but the carry which is generated from A0, B0 is forwarded to the next bit, and that is C0. Okay, so the sum of these three bits is S1, and again from this S1, when carry is generated, that is carry forwarded to next bit, that is C1, and again the sum of these three bits is S2, and if carry is generated, then next carry is forwarded, and that is your C2. Okay, so here this is your LSB of your sum, and this is your MSB of the sum. Okay, uh, now when we add these three bits, A0 plus B0, this function is done by the XOR gate, and this is your first XOR gate. So S0 is equal to A0 XOR B0. Okay, and carry which is generated from A0 and B0, that is denoted by C0, and C0 is equal to A0 dot B0. So here we need one AND gate. Okay, and after getting the sum of C0, S0, after getting the sum S0, C0, we have to add these three bits. Now when we add these three bits, the sum of these three bits is given by this S1, sum is given by S1, and which can be find out again by taking XOR gate here. So A1 XOR B1 XOR C0, it will give you S1, and carry generated from these three bits, it may be from C0 A1, okay, C0 B1, and A1 B1. So here we need three AND gates. Okay, here we need three AND gates to get the carry C1. Again, S2 is the sum of C1, A2, B2. So S2 is equal to A2 XOR B2 XOR C1. So here we need one XOR gate to get the sum S2, and carry generated from these three bits is calculated here C1 dot A2, that is this carry may be generated from this, carry may be generated from C1 B2, and carry may be generated from A2 B2. So this will give you C2. Okay, so in this way again we need here three AND gates. So overall we need 3 XOR gate and 7 AND gates to design a 3-bit adder circuit. So let us see here this 3-bit adder circuit. This circuit is designed here. Okay, so let us see how it is designed. Here you have to take we have to go into the circuits, go to blank circuit. Okay, so blank circuit. Now in this blank circuit, here there are input sources, output and labels, then active component, reactive component, and here these are the gates. So we need 3 XOR gates. So this is your first XOR gate. Okay, this will give you some S1. Now I want here the inputs. Now inputs I will take from here, logic inputs. So this is my logic input. First A0, this is A0 and B0. Okay, now I want to add, I have to connect this circuit. So in go to draw and add wire. So I will connect this through wires. Okay, so now I don't know this LL what it means. So here I will add the text here so that I will understand that which is this input. So I will write here, I will select here text, and this text is my A0. Okay, then another text I will add here, and this is my B0. Okay, this is my B0. Okay, so this is my A0 and B0. Now the thing which I will get from this XOR gate is what? This is S0. So again I will write here S0. Okay, this is my sum. Now from this I will get sum only. I have to add these two bits, and adding will get carry. And after how to get the carry? Carry we obtain from A A0 dot B0. So here I have to take one AND gate. Okay, so this AND gate will give me a carry. So again connect this AND gate through A0 B0. Okay, this is A0 dot B0. Okay, and this is my output. Okay, so here I will add output labels. Okay, uh, I will add this now into the next bits. So according to the circuit design, S0 is A0 XOR B0, C0 is A0 dot B0. Now my next task is to calculate some S1. So to get S1, I will need again one XOR gate here, and I will take here XOR gate. This is my XOR gate to get S1. Okay, I will double click on it and I will take 3 inputs here. Okay, and these 3 inputs are nothing but what? My sum, my carry. Okay, I will add here text so that we will understand this is my carry. This is my which carry? This is C0 carry. Okay, so this is C0. Okay, now C0 and my again I will need 2 inputs here, and these logic inputs are what? A1 and B1. Again I will give labeling to this, where is label? Yes, text. Okay, so this is my A1. Okay, and this is my B1. B1. Okay, this is extra. So B1, A1. Okay, now what I have to add? I have to add this C0 to XOR gate. According to this circuit, see what is S1? S1 is equal to A1, B1, C0. Okay, so I will again take a wire. I will connect this A1 here. Okay, this is my B1. Okay, and C0 is the third input. Yes. Okay, now what is this? This is my next addition, that is my sum S1. Okay, so I will here label S1. Okay, so this is S1. Now again from this addition I will get a carry. Okay, and that carry is my C1. So in this way, again if you connect the circuit by connecting here A1, B1, A0, B0 and C0, I need now how many gates here? I will need here 3 AND gates to get C1. Okay, 3 AND gates I will need to get C1. So I will connect 3 AND gates. Okay, so this is my first AND gate, second AND gate and third AND gates. Okay, okay. What is my equation for C1? My equation for C1 is C0A1, C0B1 and A1B1. So this is my C0. Okay, this C0 I will connect here. Okay, so draw wire, take it from here. Okay, C0. Okay, this is my second AND gate. I will connect it to C0. Okay. Okay. So C0 I have given to 2 gates. Then I have to give this A1, B1 to get these gates also, because I want to calculate carry. So here in this Fallstadt circuit, you have to connect the wire continuously. So here I will take here wire A1, I will connect here. Okay, and this A1 I will give again to this AND gate and to the next circuit. Okay, similarly B1 I will connect to this second AND gate. B1 I will connect here. to third gate, okay, and S2. Okay, so now here this is the sum. AND gate is AND gate का sum है यहाँ पे. So this is C0A1 plus. So this plus means what? This is OR gate. So I have to connect one OR gate here. I have to connect here one OR gate. Okay, so I will take here one OR gate. I connect it here. Okay, how many inputs I need here? 3 inputs. Okay, take it down, draw wire, connect this wire to this. Okay, yes, and in this way. Now in this way you have to complete the circuit here, and I will show you the complete diagram after connecting all the gates. So here this is my what, if I add here text, this is my C1. Okay, this is my carry 1. Okay, so I have completed this circuit and I will show you here. Because this circuit we cannot save directly, we have to save the link, and I have sent my link on my email, and therefore I have saved it on my mail ID. Now this circuit will be opening within short time. Okay, let us see. Okay, so this is the completed circuit of 3-bit adder circuit. So I have to add here 111 with 111, that is I have to add 7 plus 7. Okay, 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 means 111 plus 111. So when I will get 111 plus 111, what should be my results? Okay, it is 1110. Okay, why? Because 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is forwarded to next bit. Okay, again when 3 bits are added, your answer, your sum is 1, again carry is generated, again you will get this 3 bits addition. 3 bit addition is 1 and your carry will be forwarded again, and this is your MSB. Okay, so these are your results here. You will see here LEDs connected at the output side. From where you will get LEDs here? You will get LEDs here from input output. Okay, output labels, here output and labels add LED. So you can add LEDs at the output side, or you can get here the logic outputs also in the form of high, low, or in the form of 0 and 1. So if I want to connect a LED here, I will take LED and I will connect it to the circuit. Okay, and I have to connect a ground also. So from where I will get a ground? I will get a ground here from these inputs and sources. So add a ground. Okay, so I can add here ground. Okay, so in this way you can add these components in the circuit. So here I have added 111 plus 111. So answer is 1110. That my sum is 1110. Okay, let us check for another one. Okay, so if I want to add 101 plus 101, 101 plus 101 means what? 5 plus 5, and 5 plus 5 I should get 10, and 10 is 1010. So let us see our answer is same or not. 1010. Okay, so this is 101 and again 101. Run the circuit. Okay, yes, that is right, 1010. So in this way we have designed a 3-bit adder circuit by using the FirstAdd software. Okay, hope you understand this, how to design the circuit, this 3-bit adder circuit. Even though if you have any queries, you can ask me or email me. Thank you very much for listening this video.